Hello, children. When we explain why something happened, we use the word because. And when we talk about the result of something, we use so. Let's listen to Mary and John as they share their experiences using because and so in their sentences.
The school was closed last Sunday because it was a public holiday.
I spend most of the time listening to music because it is my holiday.
I bought a t-shirt. I took it back to the shop because there was a hole on it.
I was at my uncle's wedding, so I was absent yesterday.
The movie was boring, so we left the movie at the interval.